Between curfews and shuttered venues, most people aren't driving as much during the coronavirus pandemic, but essential workers still need to commute. Also, others need to drive to places for food, medicine, and other supplies and services. This makes access to fuel and the people who pump our gas important.
The best and the bravest.
If you're nervous about catching COVID-19 at a gas station, imagine pump attendants. While gas stations are providing fuel to keep the country going, pump attendants are putting their lives at risk each day.
I was so afraid that people going to come in front of me, talk in front of me, just touch me and I will catch the virus.
I was a little scared, but knowing that I have to deal with the customers, and that is my way of eating food and with the children's sake and all of that, I have to come to work. Because we are in an essential service and the doctors, nurse, everybody depend on us.
Many pump attendants feel exposed as some motorists also handle the pumps as well as the keypads on the pumps and card machines. Despite knowing this, they still face challenges with customers.
I guess now they're more relaxed and not so concerned, so they just break every safety protocols.
The busmen, when they come, they want to program the pump themselves, but sometimes when you say to them feel offended, like we are scanning them, but we have to do it for our safety.
And others try to isolate themselves from the card keypad.
We got to hold the machine, and some of them just take the money, then just give us the money, and right away they would sanitize their hand.
Take up tissue, hold the machine, let me punch it. Also give us their code to punch it.
While it's known physical distancing can help to prevent the spread of the virus, it's difficult for them to be distant. But the most challenging part for them has been the curfew.
We pay listen because of the whole shift changing and all of that, the time cut.
We're supposed to lock like 8 o'clock, exact 8 o'clock, 1:08, you see people keep driving in.
All God's job because we just want to get the customers in and out. So at that point, I don't think we were following much safety protocols.
Their value has only increased during this pandemic, and they know they play an essential role.
We every day deal with over thousands of persons. We're out in the open, you just come to us, so anyone can come to us, anything can happen.
We have to sell cars, they need gases. When light gone, telco, they need gases. So without gas, the world cannot go on.
The best and the bravest.